Hello reception, it's time for your phonics. Ready? Which sound are we learning today? 2 letters, 1 digraph sound. O. You say O. My goodness, is that a goat? On the O, he's eating it. Where is the goat going now? What has he found? Say the sound. Where is the goat going now? What word has he found that has the O sound in it? Can you sound it out for us? That's right. Coat. K-O-T. I wonder what he'll find now. Goat, where are you going? What's this O word that he's found? That's right. It's a B-O-T. Boat. A boat can float. The goat is going across a... Do you know this word? Sound it out. That's right. It's a R-O-D. Road. I wonder where he will go now. My goodness me, it's the biggest O you've ever seen. It's an oak tree. Oak tree. Can you find the oak tree with the O sound today? Bah. O.